Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video to show you how to check leaks on your propane bottle. I know a lot of people are frying turkeys or outside during this coronavirus stuff. So let me just show you how to check for leaks. First, what you want to do, just get you a little container right here. You can buy these at the dollar store for about $1. It doesn't matter what it is. Just take you some dish detergent. You see, I got about that much water in it. You don't need much detergent. And that should be good right there. Just put your top back on. Just shake this thing up. Spray it a little bit out. I'm gonna adjust the spray about like that and shake it. Okay, we're gonna zoom here on the tank and check for a leak. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And I'm gonna turn this on. You notice that I unloosen this just to show how it works. I have unloosened this right here. So I'm gonna turn it on, turn the gas on, and I'm gonna spray some soap and water. You see the bubbles? You can also check your line while you're at it. Make sure there's no leaks on the lines. But you see there's a leak right there. So that's how you check and see if you got leaks in your propane bottle. You could check also up in here. Make sure there's no leaks. Check all of this. There you go. So that's how you want to check for leaks. And make sure you do this often, because you don't want no propane leaks. Propane is very dangerous, especially if you're out there frying turkeys with all that grease. And I'm also check on the fitting here, make sure it's not leaking. So we see we got a leak. So the only thing you need to do, just turn it off. Get your wrench and tighten it up. This is a brass fitting, and you can put some Loctite on it if you want to, but you don't have to. There we go. So I'm gonna check for a leak again. You see, once I tighten it up, the leak is done. So that's how you check for leaks on your propane bottles. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.